I'm about to show you how I energetically cleansed and blessed my new home that I just bought in 3 powerful yet simple steps. So, my fiance and I just recently became homeowners to our new home in Sedona, Arizona. And right now we are in the process of renovating, designing, and furnishing our new home. So really our intention for our new home is for vacation rental purposes, and who knows, perhaps you'll be staying at our home very soon. And really not only that, but to host spiritual retreats so that more people could experience Sedona's unique energy. Now, before we had our contractors go up there and do work on the home, we thought it was absolutely crucial for us to first cleanse, introduce, and connect with our new home. So if you're planning on moving, you just moved into your place, or even if you feel deeply that you need to hit that reset button and reconnect and clear out all the negative junk, all the negative energy in your home, then keep on watching. Oh, and I almost forgot. Make sure you watch till the end of the video to see who's the winner of my Moldavite giveaway.
So I first got the idea when I was struggling with trying to design our new home from a distance. And I realized it was because I lacked connection with the house. This works too if you feel like you lost touch with your home. Well, duh, right? I just bought the house. I haven't lived in it, nor do I know anything about it. And that's when I remembered that I saw Marie Kondo perform a home greeting ritual on her show. And every time she stepped inside a new client's home, she basically performed this home greeting ritual. So if you don't know who Marie Kondo is, she's the spark joy lady who has her own Netflix show called Tidying Up with Marie Kondo. So go check it out if you haven't already. Anyway, she emphasizes the importance of greeting and introducing each house she goes into as a form of respect. And she says it helps her organize her client's house as well. So I basically created my own version greeting one's home, and I call it the 3 C's to greeting your home by Kristen, aka me. So first you want to do is you want to communicate with your home by talking to it and stating your intentions with it. Introduce yourself like you would to anyone you'd like to form a relationship with, and spend as long as you want having a conversation. If this feels too weird for you, think about who protects you while you lay your head on your bed each night. Your house, right? So it's time to thank your house for all it has done for you. So the next thing you want to do is that you want to calm yourself down and listen to what the house has to say back to you. That's where the second C comes in. C for calm. Now this requires deep presence, and it's almost as if you are meditating with your home. Silence your mind as you listen to what your house is trying to say to you. And finally, the third C is connecting with your home. Now this is important. For example, if you're trying to design or furnish your home like I am, how would you know how to? Well, simply put, creating beautiful spaces is all about how you feel in a given space. Design is how things make you feel. And I want people who stay at my home to feel at peace and present. And that is through design. And that starts with my connection to my own home. Now, here's a tip for you. What you can do is that you can touch the floor with your third eye chakra and fully breathe into how you feel when you are present in your home's energy. Surrender to your intuition, to connecting with your home. Whether you just moved into a new home or you're trying to refresh your current one, it's so important to energetically clean your home. I like to use white copal resin and an incense in the center of each room. So why do you physically clean your house? Well, because you can see that it is dirty, right? Why do you need to energetically clean your house? Because even though you can't see the dirt and or negative vibes in your home, You may feel it, and it's time to do a deep cleanse. Think about it. You wouldn't borrow your friend's shirt without washing it first, right? So why would you move into a new space without energetically cleansing it from the previous owner? So I like to use white copal. White copal resin is often used to create a sacred space in your environment, really clearing the stagnant energy in a given room and creating a warm and loving space for creativity and abundance to really flow. Although it vibrates at a higher level, white copal can also offer grounding qualities, aiding in your stronger connection to earth, emotional healing, and physical manifestations. So make sure when you are going around cleansing to get everything, and I mean everything, even the areas that haven't been used and or was stagnant, whatever the case may be. So why don't you let me know in the comments, what's a spot in your house that you haven't yet cleansed yet? Let me know in the comments below. So a crystal grid is an intentional arrangement of crystals in a symmetrical design that enhances the crystal's energy. Traditional crystal grid layouts use sacred geometry as a guide for crystal placement, and using a crystal grid fulfills the intention you seek. Now, normally, there's usually a larger crystal in the middle surrounded by smaller stones. So for my focus stone, the one that you see in the middle, I used something called a selenite tower. Now, selenite, the crystal, is known to cleanse and purify an environment and promote a peaceful atmosphere. I've also chosen selenite pieces, these small selenite pieces, on the grid because of its ability to really guard and protect one's house. While the selenite tower keeps us centered, the smaller pieces line the outer edges, creating a protective shield around your home. And finally, I used citrine as well in my grid. Citrine warms the home and promotes abundance and joy. It is also known to attract wealth and abundance, and that's exactly what we hope this new home brings for us. So, to begin, what you're going to do first is that you're going to hold your intentions in your mind while you create your grid. Or if you'd like, you can write your intentions on a piece of paper and place it under your focus stone. When you are done creating your grid, you can activate your grid by using a selenite wand, or if you don't have one, outline the grid with your pointer finger while stating your intentions. So there you have it, 3 powerful yet simple steps to energetically cleanse and bless your home. You can do this especially if you just moved into a new space, or if you feel like your space needs it, like when you just finished an argument with your partner and you want to truly clear out all the negative energy the two of you created. Try it out this week and let me know in the comments below how you feel afterwards.
And drum roll please, the Moldavite giveaway winner is... Congratulations! I'll be sending you an email soon so I can send you your new gift. If you're new to me, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, especially if you like my content, because if you missed this giveaway, no worries. I'll be doing more giveaways in the near future. So make sure you subscribe so that you're in the know of all the giveaways in the future. Oh my gosh, I just thought of this. I'll do a 5,000 subscribers giveaway. So when we reach 5,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give away, I'm gonna give away a complimentary stay at our new home. How about that? It has some crazy, insane views, and I'm just so excited for people to see it, to really be in Sedona's unique energy. So make sure you stay tuned for next week's video, because I'm actually going to be reviewing the new iMac. So I actually got it in yellow. I'm actually filming this exact video right now with the iMac, and I am blown away with the camera features. It just looks so clean, so sleek. I look good, right? Like I just look good with this camera. So I cannot wait to share with you my favorite features. So I know it's really different than my other content, but I'll be honest with you, I'm wanting to start to create more content that I genuinely feel aligned with. So make sure you tune into next week, because I'm going to start sharing a lot of the products that I like to use for peak performance, for better energy management. So again, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on bell notifications. And without further ado, I will see you next week. And if you want to binge some of my other videos, check out these two over here. Bye.